Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to make your WooCommerce product page look better. When you first install WooCommerce, the default product page looks very plain with just the image, title, price, and description. It does not give the impression of a polished or sales-focused page. The good news is you can completely change that in just a few steps using Divi. If you want to try Divi at a great price, use the link in the description to go to the website. The first step is to install and activate the Divi theme. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance and then Themes, and upload the Divi zip file you get from Elegant Themes. Once installed, click Activate. Your site is now running on Divi and ready to be customized. Next, open one of your WooCommerce product pages and click Edit with Divi. You will see options to use a pre-made layout. When browsing through the library, you can check the online store category and Divi will show you layouts designed specifically for online stores. Browse through these layouts, preview how they look, and once you find one that fits your brand, click Use this layout. Instantly, your product page will take on a polished design with professional styling. Now you can start customizing the layout to match your brand. For example, you could place the product image on the left and the title, price, and Add to Cart button on the right. Below that, you might add tabs for the full description and customer reviews. At the bottom, you could display related products to encourage more purchases. You can adjust fonts, colors, and spacing with simple drag and drop controls. Divi lets you change font sizes, line height, and button styles so everything matches your brand. You can apply your brand colors to buttons, backgrounds, and headings in just a few clicks. Before publishing, check how your product page looks on different devices. Divi allows you to preview the layout on desktop, tablet, and phone. If something looks off, like text too large on mobile or spacing too tight on tablet, you can adjust it only for that device. This ensures your product page looks professional and easy to shop from no matter what device your visitors use. Once you are happy with the changes, click Save and view your page. Compared to the basic WooCommerce design you started with, you now have a clean and modern product page that is optimized for sales. If you want to try Divi and unlock all of these WooCommerce layouts and modules, use the link in the description.